If you can check if the vehicle, the metal has been broken, then you can weld or you can carry out metal working techniques. Like the chassis, if the chassis has got a crack, you weld the chassis back to the original shape or contour. After welding, or if the like the door, you can weld back to its original shape. For the previous vehicle that were used, were made from the metal, not like the fiber, the modern fiber vehicles. Then you remove the filler from the dented panel using the hand file or the armor cloth or sandpaper. From there, you will wash the panel. After washing the panel, cleaning the panel. After cleaning the panel, you apply the body filler by mixing a little body filler on the mixing plate and adding a hardener. Then you apply to the panel which is dented. After applying, you will give it some moment for the body filler to dry. Before you file off to smoothen the surface, ready for application of the spot putty. After filing off, you clean the surface, then you wash the surface thoroughly using soapy water and soft emery cloths. After cleaning the surface, you mix the spot putty. You mix the primer in correct ratio with the thinner. The primer will help you to bar the small dents that had been left by the filler or when you file off the new filler. So the primer it's grayish in color, so it will cover the small dents. After applying the primer, you will wash the surface. Then you apply a little spot putty. The spot putty will bar those small holes that are being created by the aeration. The aeration is when the air starts moving out from the body panel when you applied the body filler. It will lead to tiny holes appearing on the surface. After application of the primer, you will wash the panel again. Then you start now preparing your gun and your paint. You will have to mask the unwanted areas. After masking the unwanted areas, you will mix the paint thoroughly in correct ratio. Then you will use the spray gun to apply the spray on the panel. So you will have to apply the 3 coats, the first coat, then you leave the panel to dry. You will apply the second coat, then leave the panel to dry again, and you will apply the third and the last coat. Then you will leave the panel to dry. From there, you will check if the spray is efficient. Then you remove the masking. After you remove the masking, probably use the newspapers at the local market for masking. And masking helps to prevent the paint to reach the unwanted sides of the vehicle. You will take your vehicle to the wash or the cleaning base. Then you wash it. After washing it, the vehicle will be ready for testing. You can carry out the road test and give the vehicle back to the owner or the client. So after all the steps have been involved, you will inspect the vehicle and then you clear the vehicle to the owner. Those are the few steps that are involved in vehicle panel beating and spray painting techniques. Welcome. Do you have any question? Do you have any question? You don't have any question? Then we shall meet in our next lesson. Kindly thank you for participating. I want to leave you with an assignment.